What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this laser printer, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it because I want to start printing and getting stuff done. All right, you guys, this is one of the cheapest printers that you can get that is laser and it prints out color. The link will be in the description, but let's wait and see if it works first. Let's see if this thing prints out good coloring. And when you first open the box, you get your power cord, instructions. If you need instructions, you have your setup right here, smart setup. You can QR code it. We are going to go ahead and take it out the box. It's always hard to take electronics out the box. Oh, all right. Woo! Have to love new printers, you guys. You have to love it. All right, you guys. So once again, this is a laser printer, colored printer. We're going to print it out and test out, see if the color comes out good or not. I am not a super printer tech guy. All right. So if you searching for somebody that is super tech on computers, well, printers, then you landed on the wrong channel. I'm just reviewing this for y'all. All right, you guys, just turned the power on and we're about to get it started. All right, setup configuration and all of that good stuff. It did something. It says English on it. Seems like it's initiating right now. I'm not touching nothing yet, you guys. I'm actually reading. Okay, so that's where the paper comes out. This is where your ink goes. I don't know what that is yet. Let me read first. Y'all give me a second. All right, you guys. So as soon as you scan the QR code, it's actually telling you what to do before you start up. So it said remove all the tape from the printer. You know, there was tape that was blocking this. Remove all of that. So I'm gonna look at the video and then I'm going step by step. All right. So what they did was they closed this already. It was already closed. He just pulled this down and took the whole thing off. So we are going to do that. Oh, was I supposed to do that? All right. So after that, pulled the printer tray out. When you pull the printer or the ink tray, once you pull the ink tray out, you're supposed to take these out. Well, he kind of did it better than I did, but I'm not trying to break nothing, you guys. All right. And then push it back in. All right, remove the tray. Put it back in. Now it says English, so we're just gonna go ahead. Okay. Security setup. Add pin. No, I don't want to add no pin. I'm tired of adding pins. I don't want to add a pin. Do I seriously have to add a pin? Skip. Okay. Country, United States. Remember back in the days, printers, you could just print and go, you guys. What's next? All right, you guys. So these are the printouts that I have. I have to say that the colors are very rich. This thing prints out pretty quick, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and hit print. All right. So I don't know if that's, you know, for some people might have super expensive computers. This might be slow, but it prints pretty fast than one of my old ones that I had. All right, so there you go. And the color looks pretty good. And I'm going to be transferring some more stuff. So I have some other cool stuff I'm transferring to wood. Anyways, you guys, so my bad. That's it with the Lexmark. I did not connect wirelessly. I tried twice. And to be honest with y'all, my wireless password is long. But that would be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.